Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video in our scholarship prep for verbal reasoning. Now in this video we'll go through a series of questions, and this would be question number 1 of 1000 question set for verbal reasoning. The way this question set is designed is you will have 15 seconds to analyze this question, and after that you will write down your answer, or you can comment your answer in this video. This video also contains the correct answer with full explanation of the incorrect options as well as the correct option. Question number 1, verbal reasoning. Are you ready? Here we go. Which of the following word is similar to repair? The options are A, broken, B, mend, C, detach, D, remove, E, smash. You have 15 seconds. All right, time's up. So the correct answer is B, mend. If you got B, mend, which is the correct answer, applaud yourself. And now I'm going to explain you why B, mend is the correct answer to the question which of the following word is similar to repair. So option A, broken. What is the meaning of broken in context to repair? Broken means something that is damaged or not in a working condition. So that is opposite to the word repair. If something is broken, it needs to be repaired rather than being similar to repair. Hence, option number A is incorrect. Option number C was detach. Detach, it means to separate or disconnect something from a group or from a object. So again, it is opposite of repair. Repair usually involves putting things back together, whereas detach, it means to take them apart. So option C, detach, is incorrect. Option D was remove. What does remove mean? It means to take something away or eliminate it. So again, it is opposite of repair. Repair is about restoring something, while removing something means getting rid of it. So option D, remove, is incorrect. Option E, smash, is again incorrect. Smash means to break something into pieces with force. So I'm smashing a glass with the hammer as an example. So again, it is opposite of repair. Instead of fixing something, smashing it makes it even worse. So option B, mend, is the right answer. It means mend means to fix or restore something that is damaged, which is very similar to repair. Both repair and mend involve fixing something that is damaged. Examples are: he repaired the broken bicycle. He mended the torn shirt. My grandma mended my old sweater. So these are some of the examples, or we would say synonyms for repair, mend. All right. So thank you everyone for tuning in this video. If you want to learn more, you can go to www.kaksha.com, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is @Kaksha Edu. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.